How to add registered zip code to Vanilla Visa gift card. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding a zip code to your Vanilla gift card. This is particularly useful for online purchases where billing information is required. Whether you have a Vanilla Visa gift card or a Vanilla e-gift card, this updated guide will ensure you can use your card effectively for online transactions. Open your web browser and go to the Vanilla gift card website. Look for the section titled Register Your Card, or similar options that allow you to manage your card. Input the required details such as card number, expiration date, and CVV code. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. Click on the Sign Up option, fill in your personal information including email and password. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can add or edit your billing information. Enter the zip code associated with your billing address. This is crucial for online purchases. Fill in any additional required fields, such as your full address and phone number. After entering all necessary information, look for a Save or Update button. Click those buttons to ensure your zip code and other details are saved to your account. After saving, it's a good practice to review your details. Ensure that the zip code and other information are correct and reflect your billing address. With your zip code added, you can now use your Vanilla gift card for online purchases. During checkout, select credit/debit card payment and enter your card details along with the zip code when prompted. Make sure the zip code matches your billing address exactly. Discrepancies can lead to declined transactions. Double check that your card is activated before attempting to use it online. Adding a zip code to your Vanilla gift card is a straightforward process that enhances your ability to make online purchases. By following these steps, you'll ensure your card is ready for use with the required billing information. For further assistance, you can visit the Vanilla gift card customer service page or check their facts for more insights. Happy shopping!